Hello friends, today we'll discuss tuple. What is the tuple, how to declare the tuple and how to use the tuple. Let's open the Xcode and we'll discuss it. Uh, our concept is tuple. Tuple means grouping a multiple values in a single compound value. Means for example, I would like to declare the name equal to apple. I declare I can be able to declare only the this value only apple only. If you don't want to this, you can change the and you can declare the integer. But tuple is enabled. You can declare the multiple values in a single variable or single constant. If you give the var, that is a variable. If you give the constant, let this is a constant. Tuple enables you can declare the multiple values in a single variable or single constant. Look at here. I'm declaring the var. I'm taking the data. That is the identifier. I'm taking. You need to use the always in the parenthesis. You can declare one value or multiple value. For example, first I am taking the uh, apple. This is called the tuple. If you want, uh, just print it. What will happen? Look at here. When you printing the data, it will be inferred as a string because of I initialize the data only string object only inside the parenthesis. Look at here. What will happen? That's what. And if you want tuple is you can declare the multiple values. That is the reason you need to use the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis you need to use the comma. This is the separator for each object. I'm giving the 12. You can give in the America. You can give the any type of data, any permutations and any combinations. If you want to give any float value 33.33. Look at here. I would like to print it. Data. What will happen? Look at here. First one is the string object. Second one is the integer object. Third one is the again string. Fourth one is the this is the double object. Okay, means that understand what I am trying to tell you. Tuple is a grouping a or declare a multiple values in a single value. Look at here. What will the output here? This one Apple 12 America 33.33 means that you can declare the multiple values in a single compound value or single variable. Again, I would like to give deleting the this double value. I would like to give in the some array. Array means first, second, third. Sorry, second, third. I'm printing it again. I'm printing it. I declare the string integer string given. I'm giving the array. This is a string type array. Look at here. When you print it, string int string. This is the string array, string type array. It is having the all the string objects. Look at here. I'm printing it. This is the output. String integer string. This is the array. Means that you can give any permutation. You can give the strings, integers, float, double, arrays, dictionaries, character, whatever you want. You can give it inside the tuple. But when you at the time of printing, it will give the all the objects. I don't want to all those stuff. I need this position, this object 12. This is the integer value. You if you want to get the each individual value, that is called the decomposing the tuple. What I said, we want to get the individual value. You can call it as decomposing the tuple. Uh, how to decompose the tuple? We'll see. I would like to get the this 12. This is a integer value. Look at here data. We have a operator is dot operator. You can access each individual object using the dot operator. The first apple will be the first 0th position. This will be the first position. String will be the second position. Third position will be the array. Understand? I would like to access the 12. You need to give the always first position. Can you look at here? That's what. You can get each individual position. You can like this. You can uh, I'm giving the 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a 4 position, right? If you give the third, it will be get the array. Look at here, 12, 12 again. I'll get the array. I would like to take the 0th position. We'll see what will happen. I'm, I'm printing the first position, that is a 12. Second position is I am printing the 0th position, that is the apple. Third position is that is the array. Understand? This is the creating the tuple. This is the decomposing the tuple. Decomposing means you can access the each and individual object. Understand? But I would like to update the value. If you let we if you take the let, we cannot update it. That is the reason always you should be declared as a variable. I am deleting some objects. I don't want to all the stuff. I would like to update it. Look at here. I would like to update the entire this entire tuple. At the time you need to use the data, that is already declared. Look at here, you need to initialize or update the value using the same structure only, string int string. Don't give all the strings, don't give all the whatever data you cannot give it, because of this data has already inferred as string int string. What type of data you are initialized at the time of declaring it, infer like that only. That is a called type inference. That is the reason at the time of updating also you need to give the same data types. Here you can give any data. I am trying to xcode, but here you need to give the only integer. So first position will be integer, third position will be us or Hyderabad. Now we can print it again, updated. I am trying to update. Updated, I am printing it. Look at here. That's what updated the value xcode 34 and Hyderabad. And this is the updating the entire tuple, but I don't want to update the entire tuple. I would like to update the this position. Means this is the integer value, this is the first position, right? I am updating the individual value, each value. Here update the tuple, entire tuple. Look at here. How to access it? We can using the dot operator after that position. Here, if you want to update the each individually, also same like that. You data dot. I would like to update the position is first position. Look at here. What is the first position? That is having the int value. Don't try to give the. Look at here. I am trying to give the string value. What will happen? Look at here, cannot assign the value of type string to the int. Already it is expecting integer, but you are trying to initialize the string, so it will not accepted. I am giving the 87. It will be accepted. Now I would like to print it. We'll see what is the output here. Xcode 87 and Hyderabad. Here, if you print like Xcode 34 Hyderabad, actually, it will okay. After the value at 87, we'll see. Xcode 87 Hyderabad. We have this. I updated only this position only. 34 by updated by 87. But if you want again, if you want to update the each entire tuple data, I am updating like this. I am trying to give some other data types. We'll see what will happen. Look at here. It will not possible. It is expecting string int string, but I am trying to int string. Look at here. Cannot assign a value of type int. This is the int string. This is a string. Again, this is a string to type. What is the type actually? This is data is string in string, but you are trying to update the value this type to this type, so it will not accepted. That is a very important point actually. If you want to update it, you need to give the same this type. Again, you need to follow the string, integer and the string. Okay, that's what. If you want to update the individual value, you can update it, but no problem. But it should be the type of data should be the same. Declaring the tuple is another type. Declaring the tuple is second type. Second type, how to declare it, we'll see that second way. Okay, Here I declare the multiple values in a single compound value or single variable, but I am taking the multiple variables and multiple values. Look at here, var name, these are the identifiers: name, address, location. I am taking the three variables, so I need to pass the three objects only. I am taking the name also is a string, iOS, address Hyderabad. Again I am taking the string. You can give any type, but I would like to take the three objects also a string given the India. Okay, if you want to access the individual value, you can directly access it because of the iOS will be stored in the name, address will be stored in the, sorry, Hyderabad will be stored in the address, and the India will be stored in the location. Look at here, I would like to print it address. What is the output here? The output will be Hyderabad. Look at here. Hyderabad. If you want to access, you can access the name also. Name. You can access the location also. You can access it. Okay, but I would like to access the to index. Is it possible? No, it's not. It will not possible. Address dot. Look at here. It will not possible. Look at here. Value of type string has no number of the as no number 0th position. So if you declare the multiple variables in the multiple values, you cannot access the dot operator. You can access the direct variable name. What identifiers here given, using that identifiers you can access it. This is the declaring the third way. You can update it, no problem, because of this is a variable, right? Updation is same. Declaring the third ways. Declaring the tuple. Declare the tuple in another way. Third way are named values. What's that? Named values. Tuple with named values. Tuple with named values. I am declaring the tuple in third way with named. This is what, that's what. Tuple with named values. Look at here how to declare it. I am taking the var tuple. Some this is a message I have taken. This is a tuple. Look at here how to declare it. MSG. I am taking the file, comma. I'm taking the code. After that I'm giving the 404. You can give any data, no problem, but I'm taking the identifier status. This is a MSD colon. After that you need to give the data, comma. This object, two object will be separated by the comma. After that you can give any name, code or MSD, or you can give any name, but after that colon you can give any data also, no problem. I'm taking the name is code. After that you need to use the colon. After that I am taking the data as I declare I inserted that is 404. Okay, this is the variable. The tuple name is status. I declare the two values with names, that is we call this tuple with named values. I would like to access the failed and 404. You can look at it how to access it. How to access means you can decomposing it. Print, inside the print I am taking it directly. Status dot, look at here, code and message. Dot, you need to use the dot operator, and you need to use the this names MSG or code. I would like to print the MSG also. You need to use the MSG. It will be fine. It will be work good. It will be works good. You can not only access the these names, you can access the index also. Look at here how to access it, how to decomposing it. Print status dot 0. You can access like this also, no problem. Status dot 1. You can check it. I am running it. We'll check the output. Access the through name. It will be fine. Again, I am decomposing the tuple using the dot operator with position. Again, look at here, failed and 404. Understand? Name a tuple you can access two ways. Declaring the multiple variables and multiple values, you can access the one way. And this is the tuple. What is the tuple? You can declare the multiple values in a single variable or constant, or the exact definition is grouping a multiple values in a single compound value. What is the tuple definition? Grouping a multiple values in a single variable or constant. This is the definition. Or another definition is grouping a multiple values in a single compound value. Grouping a multiple values in a single compound value. Understand what I'm trying to tell you? Tuple is, you can declare many ways actually. This is the first way. You can access it, you can update it, update entire tuple, and you can update the each and individual value. Again, you can declare the multiple values in a multiple variables. This is the second way to declare the tuple, and you can declare the tuple with named values. This is the name, this is the value. You can access to the name and you can access to the position also. That is that is called the index. This is about the tuples. uh, I hope you understand. You people has understand. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment me, then I will reply you. Thank you for watching.